What's going on, guys? Welcome to Nobori Auto. My name's Sean, and today I am working on the GT-R yet again. Seems like you guys are getting a once per weeker on this one. Alright, so the car is getting really close to being done. Today I'm just gonna get the radiator support finally bolted in for good, headlights wired up, and then figure out where a lot of this little wiring harness goes. Start working on the hood pins, and yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned. Leftover homemade mac and cheese that Darylyn made for my birthday with Tapatio.
Jason?
Hey Jason, it's Sean with Nobori.
Yeah, how you doing, Sean?
Good, yourself?
I'm doing pretty good, thanks.
So for 2009 GT-R, the hood latches, how much do each of one of those run?
The one is $69.81, and the other one is $66.78.
Okay. And does it come with?
Bring them in.
Does it come with anything else?
No.
Is it just like like not the little piece that bolts into the hood?
No, it looks like the strikers are separate. Yeah.
Okay. How much are each one of those? And the cable too, I guess.
The strikers are $24.71 each. And then the cable is $176.13.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, my math didn't really pay attention to what he was saying, but 170 something. I'd say 100, 200. It's like 300, 350 bucks to keep the OEM hood latches. I don't know. If I could like pull you guys live, I totally would. But I already have the other ones. The only thing is I'm scared. I don't have endless money like other YouTubers who are rebuilding stuff. But brand new radiator support, brand new hood. I don't really want to drill into it with it being my first time doing hood pins. But I guess, yeah, don't know until you've done it, right? Okay, so I've decided I'm going to drill up into the radiator support because that's the most secure point, and everything out here where I was wanted to drill would have been better because it wouldn't have been so deep back into it if I messed up, but and it would have been cheaper part. But yeah, the hood pins will pretty much end up like right here and right here. figured I would test fit the front bumper on there first so I could see the gap between hood and bumper. Because then I would know what exactly I'm doing. And this is the front bumper I got from Bumperland. Oh, it looks like it totally used to be red. Sad. Okay, so first impressions on this. It looks monster truck status. It's like freaking 10 inches from the ground. So I will need to get a lip kit for it. I don't know if I kept a little tow hook cover, but seeing the bumper on there, it means that it's closer to reality than I think. I just got to get it painted. And yeah, but let me close the hood because that was the main reason that I brought the bumper over here, to test fit it and see what the gap looks like. Yeah, so after all, I am going to drill holes into the radiator support, and then they'll come right up in between the two vents. And just when I checked it, noticed that the hood looks like right here is hitting this, so maybe I'll hollow out this this hole when I take off the overflow tank and see if I can drop the overflow tank a bit. Alright, got my paint pen. And I'm going to attempt to just do a little dot on each so I know where, kind of where I'm lined up. But I don't really know. Okay, that's cool. So I'm the same roughly on each side. If I go right in the center, there's a little indent there and an indent there. I need to put just a little bit of gasket maker on each one of these, and then I'll close the hood, see where it lands on here, and then that's where I'll be able to drill my hole. So I'm doing it the reverse way, just because normally you would mount here and then go up, but it's easier to know exactly where the lines are on the hood first to where they are down here. Doesn't make sense, but does in my head. All right, so that is that. They're right up there. I'm gonna pull them back this way a bit because it doesn't need to be perfect there, because I'm gonna cut a bigger hole in here. So, but at least I know the distance between the two. So one right there, one right there. So because these are so long, I'm gonna have to chop them, just because the way that the radiator support is, it's like a multi-piece thing. So the top plate here, it's just one whole piece. So the top plate, then the little pieces that the fan sits inside, both fans sit inside, are like right below that. So I maybe only could fit like that much. So I won't chop it because even though it has to go through like 1.5 inches, the hood isn't flat. So I'll probably still have to chop it, but not that much. So yeah, I'll leave it where it's at right now, because right now that's bottomed out. Like it can't go down any farther. This side isn't even in, so I need to hollow out that whole bit more, and then I can Dremel out the full hole, then go to the top side, see where it hit, do the gasket thing again, see where it hits on the hood, and then I can drill. Oh no, I don't need to do that. Now I can just drill straight up through here. Yeah. I just don't like any of this. I like it when it's done, but it's just scary. Everything is a new chapter within the same day. It's like a roller coaster, just you're paying a lot of money to ride it. Time to drill through a really expensive hood. See you guys on the other side. Well, no going back now. Wish I didn't have to drill them, but that's okay. One step closer to it being done. Right now I'm just making these holes a little bit bigger so then the pins can come all the way up through. Then I can put the hood releases on here so I can make an outline of them, and then I can cut out so they can sit flush down in the hood. So now I just need to tape off this whole area. Then I can put the latch over the top of there, trace it on top of the tape, and then I can know where to Dremel cut out. That's that. So now I just need to go see if my Dremel has the attachments that I can cut it. I haven't used the Dremel in probably like 2 years. Yeah. Okay, so I don't have the Dremel attachment that I need to cut out the hood latches. I have like 50 cutoff wheels, but the little shaft that the cutoff wheels go on, I don't have. I don't know why. That's like the main use of a Dremel tool. But yeah, gotta go to Harbor Freight tonight and pick one of those up. So for now, just gonna figure out how to mount this cooler up in here. Yeah, just gotta get this hood kept down and then take it through for a test drive.
Let me see. I want to try it.
Custom. Be good for driving the car around the block. Yeah, this thing's got some power. Holy crap. Kicked out the rear end. Oh, man. Title of today's video, went to test drive the GT-R and totaled it again. Oh, man. Okay, so first impressions, the fastest car I've ever been in, like me behind the wheel, was a 91 300ZX. with 450 horsepower to the wheels. This is definitely faster than that, but I don't know how much faster. The roads are wet, which, long story short, my adrenaline's pumping right now, and I am super excited for this thing to be like completely road ready. I definitely want to dyno it after doing that little jump. Okay guys, so I'm pretty happy with how the first test drive went. Pending I did just do more than a little test drive, but yeah, I'm really happy. It is so close to being done. The bumper just needs to be painted, thrown on there, and it's locking on me. But that being said, thanks for watching. Go check out my Instagram if you guys are liking what you see here. I'm trying to grow it, so get on that crap, guys. Go freaking follow me and like every picture that I have. Even go back like to 2015 and like my first picture. But yeah, more GT-R to come, more Mazdas and eggplants and stuff. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. So because these are so long, no.
Rated insurer at a price that you and your family can afford. We have plans from every A-plus rate.
Constantly.